Kind of messy today.
Yeah. Let's wait for Mr. Farhan to come through.
Sancho.
Farhan Fibonacci.
The thing is, we always call him Fibonacci, but he never uses Fibonacci, right?
He doesn't.
He didn't even know how Fibonacci works.
Yeah. Watch, he's gonna be a master in that.
Sure. Hi, Noam. Good morning.
Good morning, Sean. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you.
So cold today, man. Yesterday was -7.
Yeah.
See.
Mom, look at GJ. What was I telling you?
What was he telling you? Why didn't you take it?
Yeah. He was respecting this 1 hour area. And I told him that if it breaks it, it's going up. He said it's in a range.
It's in a range.
Yes, but it's like a 13-bit range.
Oh, yeah, the daily's nice. Daily broke above. It's a 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour is messy.
Open 30 minutes or 1 hour. You know what I mean.
Oh shit.
So he was asking when this current 1 hour was breaking the previous 1 hour, and
Morning.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Farhan. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's cold right now.
Oh yeah, -17 here feels like.
Shit.
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
39 multi-temperature.
Yeah.
Sean, ask what's the temperature?
In here, hey Google, what's the feel like temperature?
Right now in Smith's Falls, it feels like -21
What
due
is
to
it?
wind chill.
For me,
-21 is not too bad.
For me, it feels like -23.
It's worse than.
Shit.
But Sean was right. This one candle closed above the rest of the candles, and this one is going for this wick fill right here.
Yeah, and probably more as well if you leave her on there.
Prashant, you did not mention that it's closed above that. You mentioned that it's breaking the previous 1 hour.
Man, you have to look some things for yourself as well.
Okay. Were you looking too? Were you looking too? Oh. If you would have said it has closed above, then I would have looked at it from that aspect. Anyways.
So we're looking for a buy on GJ.
No.
We missed the train.
Okay. I'm the latecomer.
No GG.
First, don't know what's going on in the class, right?
So I think the weekly is gonna probably try to close bearish. It might
This
consolidate.
4 hour is closing doji.
The 4 hour? Yes. Okay. So we have the daily over here. Broken. Oh yeah, the 4 hour I see.
So, should I send you the chart today on 4 hour?
Yeah, send me a chart.
Okay. Because like 30-minute and 1 hour is too messy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Chart. So right now you see like the resistance and the support created on 4 hour. Okay, so we also have that support on 1 hour. Alright, so what I'm looking for, like I'm looking for, but this whole area is arranging right now between a resistance and support. So if a candle breaks the lower low of the 4 hour, which is 36,300 area, if the next 4 hour breaks these two candles, the current 4 hour candles which you see, at 36,300, then I'm taking a sell till the next target, 36,100 pulls. So for sells, I'm just looking for this.
So this current 4 hour, you want it to close below, or because it's gonna
Even
close in
it is
15
closing,
minutes?
yeah. So if it is closing like this, if it is closing bullish, then the next candle has to break above that 36,800 area. If something is closing above that area, then I'm looking for a buy.
Yes.
Before that, like within this range, I'm looking for nothing. And
Yeah.
if the next candle starts and it starts breaking the lower low of last two, the current two 4 hour candles
Yeah.
till 36,300 area, then I'm looking for a sell.
Yes.
Because that will be the same thing which we did yesterday. As soon the 4 hour low was broken, we entered,
Yeah.
which will be like 36,300 area.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 30-minute and 1 hour is like too messy. Start.
Yeah. Really good though.
And if we're going for a buy, so you can say like we can go easily up to 37,120. Yeah, that's exactly here. Yes.
Yeah. But for buys, I don't. It's hard because it's had a main.
Exactly. I know. So I'm looking for sells more.
Yes. Yeah, we'll look for sells.
Okay.
We'll manage it.
Okay, give me a second.
Yeah, the monthly is coming to close in 1 day and 9 hours. So no, the monthly is it's gonna close in 1 day and 9 hours. So I don't see this closing like really bullish. It might just close as a doji, or just bearish doji, or just a bearish candle. But for next month, I feel like we might come down again till here, till 133 again. Right?
Yeah.
Guys, we should prepare for a buy in GU.
Prepare for a buy.
Broke 1 hour.
Wait a minute. I'm just gonna send my chart.
Yeah. Do my chart.
Okay. Now this where the below 4 hour which I have marked. This was a zone that was sort of a support that was already created. Okay, and this current 30-minute was trying to respect it, and all this way. So if it closes above this area, I think we can look for a buy. However, if it closes below this area, um, I'm not going to take a sell. I'll still wait for the below like the 36,300 area to be broken down, and take an impulse sell.
Just below here.
Yeah.
What happened to gold?
What happened to gold?
Ooh. Whew.
There's news right now.
GU will
Oh
up.
shit. Yeah, what? Target. Oh, with GU. GU is going up.
You will go up.
Yeah, GBU will go up
So
slightly.
Let's look at Forex Factory. Gross domestic product. Okay, let's see. We have advanced GDP, unemployment claims. Let's look at that.
and did you see gold?
Yeah.
Did you trade gold?
You're asking me?
Uh-huh.
No, no. I wish I did. No.
Stick to one pair.
Yeah, learn from Farhan.
Yeah.
Man, look at you. Okay, I secured 5 pips. 10 pips, sorry. It's still going up.
Nice. Advance. This news at 10.
Guys, why didn't you take the buy?
Because it's not
It's
our
in the
time.
range,
Oh, okay.
It's not our time also
And-
to trade.
and it's in the range for me.
Yeah, 30-minute, 1 hour.
These are the things I'm trying to learn.
Don't worry. Yeah, this 4 hour very indecisive. Let's see. I'm waiting on DXY to fix up. SK loading. I don't know what to say to you. I stopped looking at the DXY. It's kind of, I don't know. It's not. It doesn't help. Should come down here. So G is supposed to go up. Let's see. We'll see what's happening. So if this 4 hour closes above here,
Yeah.
then the next 4 hours is gonna continue going up until here.
Yeah, exactly. And if it is breaking these 4 hours, like
Yeah.
3 of them,
Yeah.
so we can enter.
Yes, a good
And if that
confirmation.
wick and can you see that wick of the doji candle, 4 hour doji candle? And if that wick is broken, it's a very good confirmation then.
Yeah. Give me a minute, I'll be right back, guys.
Sean, are you still in the trade?
No, I closed at 10 pips.
That's good.
Oh wow. This thing is gonna go all the way to target in 1 minute.
No. If it is closing without a wick, it surely the one we're thinking to enter. Hello.
Yeah.
So when we are thinking to enter,
You asking me or Omar? Or both of us?
both of you.
Okay. We have to stick to the plan.
Okay, so when it closes and then it breaks.
If it closes, it's gonna retrace back a little bit. Where is it gonna retrace to? It's most likely to the support.
And
Yeah.
what about no wick on the upside?
No, don't worry about that. Right now there's volume,
Okay.
so it should be.
Okay.
Should be too much volume. There's no way. Because it's going off from main support.
Yes, it has closed now.
Yeah.
Are we entering? Oh shit.
I wanted to come back down
Yeah.
a little bit.
I've entered.
Nice. FOMO kicked in.
Finally. Well, we are but human.
Sean, did you enter too?
No.
Good. Don't retrade.
Mm,
Otherwise, if you said yes, I would have kicked you out of the stream.
No. Also because like it has moved so much, so it should retrace.
Yeah.
Probably not a good idea to trade. Look at GU.
Yeah.
So when you guys are entering?
We'll see. No rush, We don't need to rush. There's always the opportunity. The last thing you want to do is get in the trade and then close in the loss because you missed something.
Oh man.
Farhan, did you secure?
Yes, I do.
Nice.
Omar, why are you so quiet?
Because he's in the trade.
No, I had nothing, man. I didn't do anything. I wanted to get in, but it broke really fast.
I would kind of want to see like a bearish candle right here, like for a support.
I mean, I was okay with it because it came down, it made a little wick and then broke the high, so I was okay with that.
So I closed everything because
Nice.
there's no lower wick to the 4 hour, and it's taking time now to go up.
Very good.
So straight.
EJ broke the monthly. Something is happening. Is it because of the report?
Yeah.
Because it came negative for the US dollar.
Yeah.
Why is yen getting punished for that?
The yen. It's a safe haven. Like the yen and the USD and gold. They're all like a safe haven currency.
So Neuron right now it's breaking its own daily wick, right? To the
But
upside.
To the upside.
too dangerous as well.
Yeah. So
Wait,
like it's
breaking the
pushing up
daily
now.
what?
Like its own daily wick. The one it created
Okay.
in like in the Asian session. So
Yes.
it seems like it's breaking up. So it's a good confirmation, but I'm just worried about what you said, like the lower wick is not there.
Yeah. But hey, if there's a lot of volume in the market, this thing could just go. We'll see. I would want to see a bearish candle.
Which is harder this one.
So when something is happening like this, I go to 5 minutes and see if a candle closes bearish and then it breaks the lower low of the previous 5 minutes, then it's going down.
Yeah.
I'm going up. After taking the trade, like not for that.
Yeah.
Just bear with me, guys.
Hmm?
It's all blue.
Yeah. to get in, if we get the next candle to come to this line that I have, and it comes up, breaks that wick, then I would enter to target over here.
Okay.
Yeah, there's 20 pip range. Stop loss, I would want it to be below the support. So, oh shit, how is it 20? Big stop loss. Unless if it's above, below the current candle.
5-minute VIX.
Yeah.
Let's see if this current 5-minute break the previous two. Or it will go down to the what we should have.
Yeah, if it comes down here, it'll be perfect. Omar?
Sorry?
Can you please move the microphone a bit further?
Is that okay?
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you.
So Nuran, if the 15-minute closes bullish and the next 15-minute breaks the higher high of the 15-minute, so the stop loss will be around like 16 pips.
Yeah. It's too much. But see, like this 15 minutes, I would want it to close above. It's trying to close below right now. That means the next
Okay.
one might come down over here.
Okay.
But we'll see.
Good.
If that comes down and make a support and then go up, it's good.
Yeah.
That area which you mentioned. because it's a strong zone because it was trying for quite a while to break it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I would want to take buys from here.
Mhm.
So if price comes above, break all these wicks right here, I would want to enter.
Sorry? If a price makes a support.
No, if price comes up to here, breaks all these highs, then I would enter.
It's going down.
It come down.
The perfect setup is on 5 minutes.
Oh, for sell?
Yeah.
I'll be back in 3 minutes.
Did Rakil take any trade today?
Sorry.
Did Rakil take any trade today?
He took a GJ buy where he was anticipating to close above 142.65. I mean, I just
Yeah.
saw it because he been waiting for it for this, and then when the area broke, candle closed above, the next candle broke it. It went 20 pips. But I was not concentrating. I was concentrating on this GU bias, but it was so quick, man. You were quick enough to get in.
Yeah. But I was out in 6 pips.
Yeah.
Because as you told me, like when it is taking time to go up, it doesn't go up.
Yeah. No, it was a good buy. I Let's put it this way, I missed by a few seconds.
Yeah, but right now what Noran is anticipating, like it will go down, make a support, and then it's a good, because only the thing is like if you guys want to take a buy right now, the stop loss will be too big. So let it come down, make up that support, and again go up. It will do that.
So I'm gonna enter once it breaks the previous high. Did you guys see what happened to GameStop?
No.
What's that?
It's like a store.
Gaming
But-
store, right?
Yeah, but they have a stock, their own stock. Shit went up 1000%.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the chart later. It's crazy. Let's see if I can pull it out right now. Look at this, look at this. Watch. $20, December 24. 350, January 27.
Why is that?
I don't know, people are saying it was like rigged.
Are we in?
Yeah, I'm in.
I'm still waiting for the 30-minute to break the high.
It has broken the high, isn't it?
No, the 30-minute. Previous 30-minute.
It has broken the previous 30. No, 15.
Yeah, I'm in now.
Ooh,
Oh, shit.
nice.
The hell.
What happened?
I had my TP for 5 pips and was not looking at it. I was doing some work. But that's okay. 12 to 6 pips.
Oh.
Hit my TP.
Let's go. That's it, guys. Viewers, if you took this trade, if you like this idea, give it a like and subscribe. We're done for the day now.
Good guys.
Yeah.
Fun,
I don't
huh?
know
I
how where
entered when
it,
it breaks it.
I don't know where it took me out, man. It's like I looked at my office laptop and I looked back. I was like, "Where the fuck is my trade?" And I see the chart was up there already.
How many pips?
6.
Nice.
Good guys. I was waiting for the 30 minutes, so as soon as the 30 was broken, then I entered. But it was fine. Got 5 pips.
I kinda entered earlier.
You did?
Yeah, like as soon as I think broke this
15 minute.
That's
When it broke the
15.
15 minute, I entered.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, but I was just worried about the 30, so it was just like 1 pip, so I said just wait. More confirmation.
Yeah, that's good. It's really good. But I'm gonna be
So
making a withdrawal. This,
That's good.
yeah, like something small.
Yeah.
you went with the big lot,
No,
Nuran?
no.
So, Noran, so even if we are withdrawing it, so it's the same wire thing, right?
Yeah,
How much they charge?
$17. Bullshit. It's bullshit.
Yeah, give me a second, guys.
Like, I'm just asking you, like, for example, I'm withdrawing $100, right?
Yeah.
So I will be getting 83, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or just around $80. Yeah. But I know it's like $17.50. That's what it is per transaction.
I'm still like, overall in the month, I'm low. I'm not withdrawing anything this month, so next month, let's see.
Yeah.
This will easily go to the target.
Oh yeah. This was calculated risk.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Oh, you guys are still there. Everybody was quiet.
Waiting for you. Wow, it's going.
Holy. The only day I hit my TP.
That's we have to set
Um,
UTP far, and you have to close partials where UTP
It's
is.
like 15, 18 pips from your entry, right?
Yeah. We have to catch one of those moves. I want 15 pips.
just give me a second, guys.
I think if we aim for like 10 pips or 15 pips, we will get it, you know?
Yeah.
But we're masters. We secure 5.
At least like we're looking for few things and we are like following it,
Yeah.
which is a good thing also. Like for example, we didn't take a trade within the range. Otherwise it was a good. And
Exactly.
then wait for the confirmation. And then securing at 5 pips right now. But in future maybe we can practice to leave the runners.
Yeah. So like to break this down, I wanted this to come down over here, right? But looking
Yeah.
at the 5 minutes and also the time, it was around 9:30.
Yes.
So I'm like, it's gonna get a push, but which way is the push? Once this one closed back above these candles, I'm like, okay, there's volume to the upside now. And
Yeah. So I've learned one more thing. Like if we have a clear view on the higher time frame, like we had this bullish, we were seeing it at bullish trend on 30 minutes. So we can go down to 5 minutes, which gives us good when to enter.
yeah, it's not always accurate, but like as long as you keep looking at it, you know, there and there.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
It's a clear support created on 5 minutes and breaking up now.
Yes.
But if we would be looking at 15 minutes, we haven't seen this thing.
Yeah. You're right. No support form.
No.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking like the price could reject from here and come down to here, you know, to
Exactly.
yeah, or down here
Or maybe
to like to
we
here.
will see how this 4 hour will.
4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, the volume it's just so much that like this might just go on top, close over here, then next one continue going up.
Okay.
Yeah, this was a fake over here.
That area is a messy range.
Yeah. Wanna look at daily. The daily is messy. Man, if this monthly closes bearish, taking it all the way down to here. Also, like if you see like this was, hold on, let me put some. Like looking at this was a break.
Mhm.
It broke above, right? And the next one, we could say it's a confirmation that it broke above
Yeah.
and stayed above. And the third one is
Yes.
just the it candle.
Yeah.
The it candle. You know, Usually
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
So our entry, if we entered over here as soon as this candle closed, that would have been perfect. We did have
Yeah.
to wait.
Yeah, true, but I was just concerned about the wick. Sometimes it goes and retests the higher high of the previous wick
Yeah.
and come back.
Yeah. I think it broke. Oh, just almost. Wow.
Would have been 20 pips for us.
Nice.
Oh, 20, 15 pips, sorry.
15? Yeah, 15.
15 pips.
Guys, I shared a screenshot, and it basically respected the 78.6 Fibonacci and took a break over there. So it does, like for some reason, it does understand Fibonacci.
It does what? Like it works or it doesn't?
Yeah, it works.
So you
Yeah.
should have sent us this before.
Yeah, this is where my take profit was.
Come on, Sean. You have to let us know before.
No, sorry, not this one. Mine was a bit before that, in 30 minutes.
Oh.
Yep. Yeah, I didn't close there.
So, Sean, can you explain me, like, what is this?
Yeah, hold on. I'll put it up here.
Okay, because I don't understand this.
Let's see. All right, Mr. Sean, you can explain.
All right, so if you can look at the lowest point, which is 1.36298,
Yeah.
from here till the highest point at 1.37303. These are the 0 and 100%. This is basically where the Fibonacci is being drawn. And
Okay.
then it tells you different key levels. You can add a few more to these, like the 23.6, 38.2, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6 and 100%. These are like Fibonacci levels.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I've seen over and over again is that these are the points where it will take a break, or from where it will return or create a support or resistance. And in my opinion, like what I've seen, it works most of the time. If it's like not 78.6, maybe it will be 78.7, but it will be pretty close to that. So like even if we start using it just for take profits, I think it will make our life easier, I guess. Like we won't lose too soon or too late.
Yeah.
Because
okay.
Yeah, because
So
you
my
see, it was respecting the 61.8 area where we took our buys actually, Nuran.
Yeah.
So when it broke that, we took our buys.
Yeah, just around here.
No, above 36.94. My buy was exactly at 36.94.
36.94 here.
61.8%.
Oh yeah, it was around this.
Yeah,
area.
this is where we took our buys after the break.
Yeah.
So, Sean, like, I just want to understand, like, so as soon it closed above the 50% area, so it was a good confirmation to take a buy.
yes, you can put it that way. Yep. Like you don't have to look at it from the perspective of confirmation or anything. It's just look at it from the perspective of key points, and then you can derive
Okay.
different meanings from it. Whether it's a confirmation, whether it's a take profit, whether it's a support or a resistance, but something you can expect something to happen around these points. So
Okay.
in this case, yes, it was breaking up. So maybe you could have put your stop loss beneath the 50%,
Right
like
here.
just below 1.36801.
Mm.
The 50%. This is 38.2. So yep, like once we entered, when it broke the 50%, we could have waited for a little retracement, or when the next candle opened, we could have just got into a buy
Yeah.
and put our stop price beneath 50%.
Yes.
I mean, because you see, this one is this is mainly for the retracement. This one we have not seen the retracement yet, basically, but it can help us in the profit taking minds, with the profit taking situation, right?
Yeah, this is what I mainly
Even
use it for.
even Noran was also looking at that thing, but the only thing was it was like 16 pips stop loss, like below 50%.
Yeah.
So when it was like 16%, so that's why he was
Yeah,
not
but
willing to
when he was
take
looking
an
at it,
entry.
yeah, sorry, but when he was looking at it, it was near the 61 area. That's why he said 16 pips. It wasn't this area.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
It was around here.
Yeah, that's why he calculated. So if you calculate it down, it's like 15, 16 pips.
Yeah.
And look now it has returned back, like it's retracing the actual live chart, and it's retracing from the same point from 78.6 level.
Mm. Yeah, that's what we thought too on the price action.
Exactly, this is what we discussed the other day, that we can, like, we are able to spot these like points with our eyes now, because like we've been seeing it for a while.
Yeah.
But it just the Fibonacci, as it's based on like formulas, it's more precise, I would say.
Yeah, makes it like a little bit easier and
Exactly,
user
yeah.
friendly. Yeah.
And like and once
Oh
we
man,
are in
this
a
thing is
state,
not stopping.
so if it, yeah,
Yeah, continue, Sean.
so like we can also like assume that if it closes above, for instance, 78.6, maybe it will continue going up.
Hmm.
Like, let's test it today.
Yeah.
And if it closes below 78.6, we can expect it to retrace to 61.8 and create a support with 61.8 Fibonacci level.
Either there or either around the 50.0 area, right? Which is like the golden zone.
Yeah, 50 would be like, if it comes close to 50, then probably it will be going down, I would say. But we can expect like a support to be created around 61.8 Fibonacci.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we
Yeah.
talked about. It might come either down here or down here, and go up. But Sean, if you could just send us like your Fibonacci levels before, when everyone's sending the chart, so it's like a confirmation, you know.
Sure.
If it makes sense,
Even if I don't remember it, just ask me for it, because
Okay.
I'm always using it.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll try to
It
remember
hit the TP.
tell you guys the points on my own. Yeah, because that's usually where I set my take profits.
Yeah. Right here.
The TP is hit.
Dude, GJ is unstoppable today.
Cheers.
You know, make a support at 142.65 area. Little down. Yeah. This is where Rakil had his support, like resistance, now made support. All this 2.5 hours to get a confirmation the candle closes above, and then so at 9 o'clock he took a buy, and I think he got 20 pips in the first 15 minutes.
Nice. Really good. You know, Rakil's trading now.
Yeah, but he's not sharing his results or anything, you know.
What's that?
He's doing it from, I think he's doing it on Trader's Domain.
Yeah. Wow, GU. But yeah, for Fibonacci, I don't want to look at it. But if Sean, if you could send it to us and say the TP is this and this and that, so it just gives us a confirmation, you know.
I sent you another chart. If you want to analyze it.
Oh yeah.
I applied the same Fibonacci on GJ just to check if it's working there.
There are so many options here in like which one you select for this Fibonacci, like fib speed,
Are you
fib
on
time.
TradingView?
No, I use.
Yeah, TradingView.
I haven't used TradingView in a while.
You have to go right here where the pitchfork is. And
Yeah.
Fibonacci.
Yeah, I'm
retracement.
there. Retracement. Okay.
Yeah, but you have to learn how to draw it. So from the top to the bottom and from the bottom to the top, it matters. I don't know how it is, but
Okay.
let me see. So this is the next one. I went to 100%.
Usually it's best to do it.
All right, so the same thing, although it broke above 100%, but
You guys,
that's not.
I've got a meeting. If I can come back, I'll come back. Otherwise, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right,
Take
yeah.
care, Omar.
See you. Bye-bye.
Peace.
Bye.
So Noran and Farhan, can you see how this 1 hour candle, it just stopped at 78.6?
78.6, yeah.
It just went there till 78.6. So if you were in like a trade, you could have put your stop loss in there, and there was no other way we could have like known that there we can set our take profit in here. But Fibonacci, it told us that we can set our profit at 142.717. So this is where it's like most useful. And even if you look at the 23.6 level, can you see that the lower wick it came? Yep. 23.6 come down. Yep. So the 1 hour candle, it just came down to 23.6 level, and then it didn't break it.
Okay.
And around the 50%, we also have some wicks.
So when you draw from there to here, right?
No, from down to up.
From down to up. Let me see. You did on the 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
From the way down to here. 123. Yeah, like here is saying, yeah, like this is the buy zone.
Yeah. It's the same, yep. 50% then.
Wait, but I did it from the top up, from the top to low, and you did it from the down to upside. Let me see if it's the same. It's kind of different.
You do it from the.
I drew it from here to there. See, my levels are flipped now.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So was it the other way?
Yeah, it was the other way. Yep, the 0% was at the bottom.
Okay. Because I think to take sells, you have to draw it from the low to the top. And to take buys, you draw from the top. Like it's based on the trend too.
What I usually do is that if it's like close to the support and I expect it to go up, I would draw it from like down to up.
Yes, yes. If it's from the support.
Now in this case, like we expect it to, for instance, return from this 37, 34 area. So now you can draw it from the other way around, from top to bottom.
From here to there.
No, like
From
once it starts returning up from this point, for instance,
yeah.
then you can do it the other way around and expect it to come down or whatever. Like like you can draw it in many other ways.
Yeah.
You can even draw it like above the current high till 37,600, for instance.
That's sick. And you've been using it almost every day now?
Yes, quite. Since a while. Yep. I'm not sure if I'm using it properly or not, but I mean, at least, yeah, it's working exactly. I wanted to study it in detail, but I just don't have enough time.
Yeah, that's good.
But at least the way how I'm doing it, at least it tells me the take profit points, which is useful.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing else.
I mean, you're testing it, so that's okay.
The best way to burn fat is with more.
I think we had news today, and then just right now, 10 o'clock. Oh yeah, just right now, this news. CPU leading index.
Brown fat, and this is the type of fat that literally eats up your stubborn, annoying white fat like Pac-Man. And researchers have actually discovered.
Very good trade. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off.
Yeah. See you guys tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Yeah. Take care, guys.
Take care.
Take care, Sean, Farhan. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you. Bye bye.
Take care.
Have a good day. Peace.
Bye.